So, Excel has two new ways to translate text, and these will certainly come in handy for many of you. Let's start with the translate function. In the first argument, reference the cell containing the text you want to translate. In the second, specify the source language. You can see there's a very long list of languages, as over 100 are supported. Obviously, the text in this case is in English, so I'll scroll down to that and double-click on it. It automatically specifies the language code between quotation marks. The final argument is for the language you want the text to be translated to. So for this, I want the text to be in Spanish, so I'll go for that. Confirm the formula, and there is the translation. If you have a list of target language codes, you can easily construct a single formula that references them as a range, so you can see all the translations at once. The second function is detect language. As the name suggests, this looks at one or more text strings and returns the language code they're in. So I'll reference this range of text strings in the one and only argument, and there they are. Sometimes the codes are a bit confusing, so you can always store the ones you need elsewhere alongside the language names in full, and then use XLOOKUP to return the respective language of each. The lookup value references the codes that have been generated. The lookup array is the range we want to look for these codes in. And the return array is where the language names come from. And that's a bit easier to understand now. So instead of going through the tedious process of doing all this manually, these two functions give us an easy way to translate our workbooks so they can be understood by all. I'll finish by saying they are only available to Microsoft 365 insiders on the beta channel at the time of speaking, so become an insider now or wait a while for the mass rollout.